How many medals did India win at the Commonwealth Senior Weightlifting Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, 13. Which Indian boxer won a gold medal in the 48th kg category at the 2025 World Boxing Championship? Correct answer is option C, Meenakshi Huda. India won the Cricket Asia Cup 2025 by defeating which team in the final? Correct answer is option D, Pakistan. Which city hosted the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, Rajgir, Bihar. Which team won the 62nd edition of the Dilip Trophy in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Central Zone. Who won the Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Who won India's first ever gold medal at the Speed Skating World Championship? Correct answer is option B, Anand Kumar Velkumar. Who was named ICC Men's Player of the Month for August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mohammad Siraj. Which company did Apollo Tyres replace as lead sponsor of India's cricket teams? Correct answer is option B, Dream 11. Who won the FIDE Women's Grand Swiss Chess Tournament 2025? Correct answer is option D, Vaishali Ramesh Babu. Who won the 2025 US Open men's singles title? Correct answer is option A, Carlos Alcaraz. Which team did India defeat to win bronze in the CAFA Nations Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Oman. Who won the Men's Ballon d'Or Award 2025? Correct answer is option B, Osman Dembele. Where was the 8th edition of the Lever Cup 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Chase Center, San Francisco, USA. Where will the first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival be held? Correct answer is option C, Dal Lake, Srinagar. Who set a new national record in the men's 100-meter sprint in July 2025? Correct answer is option B, Animesh Kujur. Who became the first Indian woman to win the FIDE Women's Chess World Cup? Correct answer is option D, Divya Deshmukh. Who was named Player of the Series from India in the Anderson Tendulkar Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option C, Shubman Gill. Who set a new world record in the men's F42 javelin throw with a distance of 61.17 meters in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mahendra Gurjar. Who inaugurated the first edition of the Khelo India Beach Games in May 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mansukh Mandvi. So recently Mansukh Mandvi जो कि इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर है, इन्होंने पहले खेलो इंडिया बीच गेम्स को इनोग्रेट किया है दीव में. इन विच कंट्री वॉज द एशियन एथलेटिक्स चैंपियनशिप हेल्ड इन 2025? करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, साउथ कोरिया. Who won the men's 5000 meter and 10,000 meter gold medal at the Asian Athletics Championship 2025? Correct answer is option D, Gulveer Singh. 2025 ICC Women's ODI World Cup will be held in which countries? Correct answer is option C, India and Sri Lanka. Who won the men's singles title at Wimbledon 2025? Correct answer is option A, Yannick Sinner. Where was the second Indian Open Relay Competition 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Chandigarh. Who won the South Asian Football Federation Under-19 Football Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Where was the Asian Yogasan Sports Championship 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who won the Superbad Chess Classic 2025 held in Bucharest, Romania?
Correct answer is option C, R. Pragnanda. Who won the World Test Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, South Africa. Who won the Kabaddi World Cup 2025 by defeating England? Correct answer is option C, India. Which team topped the medal tally at the 38th National Games held in Uttarakhand? Correct answer is option D, Services Sports Control Board. What is the official motto of the 38th National Games of India? Correct answer is option C, Sankalp se Shikhar tak. Which Indian cricketer was inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame in June 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Who became India's 87th chess grandmaster? Correct answer is option B, Harikrishnan A.R. Who won the main singles title at French Open 2025? Correct answer is option B, Carlos Alcaraz. Who became India's 86th chess grandmaster? Correct answer is option C, Shri Hari L.R. 86th ग्रैंडमास्टर ये जो है श्री हरि एल आर है, 87 ग्रैंडमास्टर है हरिकृष्णन आर ए, और जो 88 ग्रैंडमास्टर है वो है दिव्या देशमुख. सो रिमेंबर द नेम. What was Neeraj Chopra's throw distance at the 2025 Doha Diamond League? Correct answer is option C, 90.23 meters. Who won the women's singles title at French Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Coco Gauff. Which team won the Indian Premier League 2025 title by defeating Punjab Kings? Correct answer is option A, Royal Challengers Bangalore. Who won the orange cap in the Indian Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option C, Sai Sudarshan. Who won the purple cap in the Indian Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option B, Prasidh Krishna. Which Indian archery player won gold in the compound mixed team event at the Archery World Cup Stage 1 in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Jyoti Surekha Vennam and Rishabh Yadav. Which Indian team made history by winning gold at the 2025 Sepak Takraw World Cup? Correct answer is option C, मेंस रेगू टीम. सो पहली बार जो है मेंस रेगू टीम ने गोल्ड मेडल जीता है सेपाक टकराव वर्ल्ड कप में इंडिया के लिए, तो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. Where was the 2025 Sepak Takraw World Cup held? Correct answer is option C, Patna, Bihar. Where was the World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Who won gold medal at the Asian Wrestling Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, Manisha Bhanwala. Which Indian equestrian won first place at the Azolf CSI Laya competition 2025 held in Belgium? Correct answer is option B, Niharika Singhania. Who won the gold medal for India at the World Boxing Cup Brazil 2025 in the 70 kg category? Correct answer is option B, Hitesh Gulia. Which Indian shooter won gold in the men's 10-meter air rifle event at the ISSF World Cup 2025 in Buenos Aires? Correct answer is option B, Rudraksh Balasaheb Patil. In which format will cricket be played at the Los Angeles 2028 Olympic Games? Correct answer is option D, T20. Who won the freestyle chess Grand Slam 2025 in Paris? Correct answer is option D, Magnus Carlsen. Which Indian pair won gold in the 10-meter air pistol mixed team event at the ISSF World Cup 2025 held in Lima, Peru? Correct answer is option C, Inder Singh Suruchi and Saurabh Chaudhary. Where was the first edition of Kho-Kho World Cup 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. What were the names of the mascots for the Kho-Kho World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Tejas and Tara. Where will the next Kho-Kho World Cup 2026 to 27 be held? Correct answer is option C, Birmingham, England. Which state hosted the 7th edition of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Bihar. Which state topped the medals tally at Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. What is the name of the official mascot for the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gaj Simha. Who won the ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option D, India. Which country hosted the 9th edition of ICC Men's Champions Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, Pakistan and UAE. Which team topped the medals table at Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, आर्मी. खेलो इंडिया विंटर गेम्स 2025 की हम बात करें तो ये 5th एडिशन था खेलो इंडिया विंटर गेम्स का. मेडल्स टैली में फर्स्ट रैंक पर था आर्मी. आर्मी ने 18 मेडल्स जीते हैं जिसमें 7 गोल्ड, 5 सिल्वर और 6 ब्रॉन्ज मेडल शामिल है. सेकेंड रैंक पर रहा है हिमाचल प्रदेश और थर्ड रैंक पर रहा है लद्दाख. Where was Khelo India Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Leh Ladakh and Gulmarg, Jammu and Kashmir. Who won the main singles title at Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Yannick Sinner. Who won the women's singles title at Australian Open 2025? Correct answer is option D, Madison Keys. Which team won the Women's Premier League 2025? Correct answer is option B, Mumbai Indians. Where was the India Open Badminton 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi. How many players have been awarded the Khel Ratna Award for the year 2024? Very important question. And the correct answer is option C, 4. 2024 के लिए जो है खेल रत्न अवार्ड दिया गया है 4 प्लेयर्स को, हरमनप्रीत सिंह, मनु भाकर, प्रवीण कुमार एंड गुकेश डोमाराजू. Where was the Khelo India Para Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi. Which team topped the medals table at the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Haryana. What was the name of the official mascot for the Khelo India Para Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ujjwala. Who won the women's singles title at the Miami Open 2025? Correct answer is option C, Aryna Sabalenka. Who became the first Indian to win a gold medal at the Asian Under-18 Athletics Championship in Javelin? Correct answer is option C, Himanshu Jakhad. Which football club won the I-League 2024-25 title? Correct answer is option C, Churchill Brothers FC Goa. Which team won the Ranji Trophy 2024-25? Correct answer is option D, Vidarbh. Who became the first Indian woman to win the National Car Racing Championship? Correct answer is option C, Diana Pundole. Who has won the women's singles title at Indian Open 2025 PSA Cooper? Correct answer is option C, Anahat Singh. Who won the World Chess Championship 2024 and became the youngest world chess champion? Very important question, and the correct answer is option B, Gukesh Domaraju. Where was the Asian Wrestling Championship 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Amman, Jordan. Which state will host the 14th FIH Junior Men's Hockey World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Tamil Nadu. Who won the 6th Asian Women's Kabaddi Championship in 2025 by defeating Iran? Correct answer is option A, India. Who became the fastest batter to reach 14K ODI runs? Correct answer is option B, Virat Kohli. Who became the youngest player to score century in IPL history? Correct answer is option B, Vaibhav Suryavanshi. Where was the Asian Track Cycling Championship 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Malaysia. Who won the Asian Snooker Championship 2025? Correct answer is option B, Pankaj Advani. Which team won the Indian Super League title in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Which country will host the first Olympic e-sports games in 2027? Correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Who won the inaugural online chess competition at the e-sports World Cup? Correct answer is option B, Magnus Carlsen. Which country will host the Commonwealth Games in 2026? Correct answer is option D, Scotland. Who won the ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year award for the year 2024? Correct answer is option C, Jasprit Bumrah. Which country will host the 20th edition of Asian Games in 2026? Correct answer is option D, Japan. Which state will host the 39th edition of the National Games in 2027? Correct answer is option A, Meghalaya. Which state won the Vijay Hazare Trophy 2024-25 for the fifth time? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Who became the first Indian woman to score centuries in all formats? Correct answer is option A, Smriti Mandhana. Who became the first Indian woman to score the fastest double century in women's test cricket? Correct answer is option D, Shefali Verma. Who won the Memory League World Championship 2025? Correct answer is option A, Vishwa Rajakumar. Who was awarded the ICC Women's ODI Cricketer of the Year in 2024? Correct answer is option D, Smriti Mandhana. ICC Under 19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025. Correct answer is option A, India. Which player made history by breaking a 39-year-old record in the women's 400-meter hurdles? Correct answer is option C, Vidya Ramraj. Which country will host the FIFA World Cup in 2034? Correct answer is option C, Saudi Arabia. Who is the winner of Santosh Trophy 2024? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. Where was 9th Asian Winter Games 2025 held? Correct answer is option D, Harbin, China. Who has been awarded the Arjun Award Lifetime in 2025? Correct answer is option C, both Murlikant Petkar and Sucha Singh. How many athletes were awarded the Arjun Awards in 2025? Correct answer is option B, 32. Which country hosted the ICC Under 19 Women's T20 World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Malaysia. Which city will host the 34th edition of the Summer Olympics in 2028? Correct answer is option C, Los Angeles. Which team won the Durand Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Northeast United Football Club. Where was the 66th International Mathematical Olympiad 2025 held? Correct answer is option C, Australia. Who became India's 89th chess grandmaster in August 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Krishna. Who won the Men's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 by defeating South Korea? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.